Hello friends, next problem. The product of a manufacturing concern passes through two processes A and B and then to finished product. It is ascertained that in each process normally 5% of total weight is lost. This is weight lost. And 10% scrap. This is normal loss. This is weight loss and this is normal loss. Which form process A and process A and B realizes 10% scrap is for process A and process B, and we can sell this process scrap of process A 80 rupees per ton we can sell scrap, and 200 per ton scrap we can sell in process B. He has given material 1000 tons, cost per ton 125, so total 1000 into 125 it is 1,25,000, wages 28,000, manufacturing expenses 8,000, output in tons 830. So now this output of process A becomes input for process B, and one more input here 830 input for process B, again 70 more units they are introducing in process B, 70 tons, so rate 200 per ton. So again wages, manufacturing expenses, output is 780. So prepare process account showing cost per ton of each process. There is no stock or work in process. So now we will see the problem. So now solution we will see. You can take a screenshot if you want. Now process 1 account, or here actually process not 1, process A account, and then here process B account. So now two material 1000 into 125 is 1,25,000, two wages 28,000, two manufacturing expenses 8,000. By weight loss he told 5%, so 1000 into 5% it is 50 units, and for weight loss there will be no amount. Why? Because it is just a weight loss, units were lost, so we cannot sell as units were lost. Normal loss 1000 into 10 100 units, each we can sell at 80 rupees per unit, so 100 into 80 it is 8,000 rupees. Now by transfer to process 2 830, by abnormal loss 20. How I got means, if you see here, so already transfer to process 2 830 it was there. See, if you see in the question we can observe here. So he told 830 transfer to process 3, sorry, process B. Here process 2 means here process B. So process B. Now first we have to tally the units 1000, and with this was not there, so 1000 means 1000 minus 50 minus 100 minus 830, still some amount was there, that means abnormal loss. Actually units, debit and credit units should tally, debit and credit units should tally, but if you observe here, without this it was only 980. So once see here total units, see here total 1000 units, from that normal loss 50 units, 1000 minus 50 it is 950, so scrap 100. So normal loss means here weight loss, actually not normal loss, it is weight loss. So weight loss 50 units, 1000 minus 50 950, so minus scrap 100, so it will be 850, minus output 830. Actually after minusing output it should be 0, but still 2020 was balanced, that means abnormal loss. Or you can simply see here we have to match units, debit and credit units should tally, debit and credit unit should tally. So here 1000, but here without abnormal loss, see here abnormal this is a balancing figure actually. So 1000 minus 50 minus 100 minus 830, 830 plus 100 930, 930 plus 50 980, but the input is 1000, so it means 20 is abnormal loss, 20 units are abnormal loss units. So now we have to find the cost per unit, and we have to apply for this output units. For 830 we have to apply that rate, and we have for abnormal loss also we have to apply that rate. So first we have to find cost per unit. So what is the formula for cost per unit? Total cost minus normal loss cost divided by total units minus normal loss units. So total cost is 1,61,000 minus normal loss cost is 8,000 divided by total units 1,000 minus normal loss units minus weight loss unit. So weight loss unit 50 and normal loss units 100. So after solving this I got 180 rupees per unit. So multiply here 830 into 180, 830 output, so 830 into 180, so it is 1,49,400, 1,49,400, and here 20 into 180, 3,600. So if I tally here, debit 1,61,000 and I credit also 1,61,000, right? Now next thing is process B account. So from process A I got 830 units. 830 value is 1,49,400. Again in process B, if you observe here, they introduced 70 more units. So 70 more units at the rate of 200 each. So it will be 14,000. Now 2 wages 10,000, 2 manufacturing expenses 5250. So 2 weight loss 45, 2 scrap 90, each sold at 200 rupees per unit. 90 into 200 it is 18,000 by transfer to finished goods. So how many is 780? If you observe in the question, he clearly told 780 is the transfer to finished goods. So now we have to tally the units. Here it is 900, and here if you observe 780 plus 90 plus 45. So how much it is? So if you observe here 780, yeah, see here 780 plus 90, 780 plus 90 plus 45, it is 915, it is 915. So here debit side is 830 plus 70, it is 900 only, but credit side it is 950. That means we got abnormal gain. How much gain? 15 is the abnormal gain. See here, so 900 minus normal loss means here actually weight loss 45, scrap 90, 765, output 780. So here we got negative means here 15 abnormal gain. So I wrote here 2 abnormal gain, 2 abnormal gain 15 units. Value was not there, value I have to find, fine. Now so we have to find cost per unit, we have to find, and that amount we have to apply for abnormal gain, and for here for finished goods also we have to multiply with that cost per unit. So now cost per unit is equal to same formula. So value is without this value, this was not there. After multiplying cost per unit I got this value. So without this value, how much value I have to add all this? If I add all this, I got 1,78,650 minus normal loss cost. What is normal loss cost here? Normal loss cost is, so 18,000 is a normal loss cost. So 1,78,650 minus 18,000 divided by total units. Total units means not without abnormal gain. How much? 900 minus normal loss 45 minus normal weight loss 45, normal loss 90. So it is 210 per unit. So 15 into 210, it is 3150, and 780 into 210, it is 1,63,800. So debit and credit if I add, so here 1,81,800 debit, 1,81,800 credit. Now next thing is, so this is problem number 8. So now we are going to problem number 9. So see the answer also. So abnormal gain 15 units 3150, abnormal gain 15 units 3150. First abnormal loss 20 units 3600, abnormal loss 20 units 3600. So now we will see the ninth problem. Question first we will see. A product passes through two distinct processes A and B, then to finished stock. The output of process A passes directly to B, and that of B process to finished product, A to B, B to C, from that finished goods. So A to B, from B to finished goods. From the following information you are required to prepare the accounts. So now simple. So material consumed 12,000, direct labor 14,000, manufacturing expenses 4,000, input units 10,000, input to process a value 10,000, units 10,000, value 10,000. That means 1 unit is 1 rupee. See here, units also 10,000, value also 10,000, means 1 unit value is 1 rupee. So 10,000 into 1, it is 10,000 rupees. Output units 9400, process A output is 9400, normal loss 5%. So see here, new point, value of normal loss per 100 tons 8. So for example, if there is 500 normal loss, for every 100 we are getting 8 rupees. So if it is 500, so into 5, 8 into 5. So I'll tell when I am explaining clearly, I'll explain. For a normal loss, how they are paying, not for 1 unit, they are paying for every 100 units. For every 100 units of normal loss, they are getting 8 rupees. And here they are getting 10 rupees. So now, so there is no opening or closing stock. We have to prepare process account. So now first see here. So two raw material 10,000 units and 10,000 value. Two material consumed 12,000, two direct labor 14,000, two manufacturing expenses 4,000. By normal loss 500. So how I got 10,000 into 5%, it is 500. So simply this is per, I found here per unit. So instead of that, simply we can do. So normal loss for 100 units 8 rupees. Here how many units? 500. For 100 rupees, sorry, for 100 units they are paying 8 rupees. Here 500 units, how much they will pay? So cross multiply 500 into 8 by 100, it is 40 rupees. So right here 40. Here what I have done is I find for 1 unit, so it will be 800, 8 by 100, it will be 0.08. So 500 into 0.08, 40. Anyhow we can do, but I thought this is simple way. So and the next thing is we have to by transfer to process to how much? 9400 by abnormal loss 100. See here once, the question he has given transfer output in units 9400, 10,000 input, 500 normal loss. So output should be 10,000 minus 500, it is, and 9500 should be output. But how much output we got? 9400. That means 100 is abnormal loss. 100 is abnormal loss. This is not required. So 100 units are abnormal loss. So this value we got afterwards. How I got this value means we have to find cost per unit, and we have to multiply 9400 into cost per unit, 100 into cost per unit. So what is the cost per unit? We see here. So cost per unit is equal to 40,000. How I got 40,000 is here, this value 40,000. Second, this total value is 40,000. 40,000 minus 40, that is total cost minus normal loss cost, divided by total units 10,000 minus normal loss unit 9500. See here. So 40,000 minus 40 divided by 10,000 minus 500. This is normal loss cost 40. 399,960 minus 9500, it is 4.2021 something. So if I apply here, so 9400 into 4.20, 100 into 4.21 or 20. So here 40,000 debit and credit tally. Now next, so process 2. So how much transferred from process 1? So 9400, it is 39,539. To material consumed 6,000, to direct labor 8,000, to manufacturing expenses 4,000. By normal loss, here 940 units. 940 units means here For 100 units they are paying 10 rupees. What is for 940? So 940 into 10 by 100, it is 94 rupees. So I wrote normal loss 94 rupees. By transfer to finished goods 8300. Again by abnormal loss 160. You know how to calculate abnormal loss. 9400 minus 940 minus 8300. Still you are getting a value, means that is 160. 160 I got. So 160 deficit here, so that means 160 is abnormal loss. So again we have to find the cost per unit. 57539 minus 94 divided by 9400 minus 940, 6.79. so multiply 8300 into 6.79, 160 into 6.79, so it is 1086 56 359. so it is 57539 57539. This is problem number 9, right? Thank you.